my loves, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Asisipho Dayile, and for those of you who are returning subscribers, welcome back, my dolls. We are back with another vlog. So today is Sunday and we just came back from church, and now we're gonna go to the beach and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Yes, let's go to the beach, guys. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much.
It's not coming from, it's coming from.
Hi.
Do 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 do, yeah. Listen, yeah. Yo, tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, girls, I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I say, yo, I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss, I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You making me want to say, yo, no, you trying to how I love to keep you here with me. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, yeah. Betty datum, boot up, and my heart go bottom, boot up, Betty datum. It just won't stop it go. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. Feel it all over my body.
I am washing my hair. Yeah, I don't like the beach because of the sand. Now I have to wash my hair.
You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you what to do. No, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh. Cause you would know that you are. Oh. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are.
You just dropped off the sky. You just fell in my lap. You just crashed in my life. Run that shit, run it back.
I don't wanna be your ex. We're way too good at being friends. Can we still hang out on the low? Get why I don't wanna be you. I don't wanna be your. Hit your boy up with a text when you're alone and feeling stressed. Said I ain't gotta be in love with you to love you. I don't wanna be you, so don't treat me like your ex. No, I don't wanna be yours. No, can't count up the times you blown my line. Yeah, That's been on my mind a lot lately, yeah. And I wanna leave the ex around behind. And I know that you wanna be my baby, yeah. So I'm gonna take my girl to the old town road. She gonna ride till she can't no more. I'm gonna take my girl to the old town road. She gonna ride it till she can't. I love the way she throw it back. Ooh, you know she bad. I ain't tryna brag, but nobody can match her. Yeah, she kinda crazy. You know she my baby. You could keep the talk, my ears are kinda lazy. Can nobody tell me nothing, no. You can't tell me nothing, no. They can't tell me nothing, no. You can't tell me nothing, so my bad. Blowing me up, you been wildin'. Yeah, we were cool, yeah, we was vibing. Gotta put my phone on silent, so my bad. You're blowing me up, you been wildin'. Yeah, we were cool and vibing, but I gotta keep my phone on silent, so my bad.
I used to getting all confused. Give me a minute, let me dilute. I don't know why I tried so hard to stay on your radar, in your orbit. And I know I said I didn't want it all, but I think I want it all. I think I need it all, and I really try to be just enough, not too much for you. You never know, you never know. You never know, you never know. You never know, you never know. You never know, you never.
And then we have a store, so I've done everything for you guys. You can see. Shabalala, Sonyamba.
This is also very important to know the time study equipment. A lot of times, the study board, we also have.
I don't wanna be your ex. We're way too good at being friends. Can we still hang out on the low? Get why I don't wanna be your. Hit your boy up with a text when you're alone and feeling stressed.
Hey my lovies, I know I haven't spoken in so long, but today is Wednesday and I just woke up from a nap. I literally I had a long day. I woke up very early. I woke up at 7 because I had a class at 8:30 and I had another class at 10. I had a group meeting after that, and you know guys, I have this pimple and it's so painful. But yeah, I went to go find a dress for my dinner and I found one. I love it, it's perfect. And yeah, I am going to do my hair. My roommate is going to plait my hair, but I don't think I'm going to record that because my space is really giving me problems. And yeah, but I'll show you guys when I'm done. Hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog. Don't forget to like if you haven't liked, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll show you guys when I am done with my hair. Hey my lovies, so I am done with my hair guys. This pimple is stressing me out, but I'm done with my hair. I'm so happy. Like, she ate down. Do you see that? she ate down, guys. Like I'm obsessed. I'm happy, and yeah, so I am so exhausted, but I feel like I want to go through some work before I sleep. I had a very long day today, and I was so exhausted, and I only came back and slept for like an hour or so, or an hour and 30 minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna eat now, and then I might go through some work. And then the plan for tomorrow is, in case I don't open up the vlog, because I didn't get a chance to open it up today and yesterday I was supposed to go to the gym, but we got to the gym and it was closed, and yeah, so I didn't really do much. What did I do yesterday? I don't even remember, but I don't think I did anything besides like going through my work and stuff. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, the plan for tomorrow is I have class at 11:30. I have class at 1. I need to look for something to wear before I sleep, otherwise there's about late. But I have a class, and then I have a lash appointment at 4. I feel like this vlog is I spend the week with me kind of preparing for this dinner, and I think I'm gonna cut it off before the dinner. I think I'm gonna cut this vlog off on Thursday, but Thursday is tomorrow. Oh no, I think if I'm doing my nails on Friday, then I'll show you guys that part, and when I'm installing and stuff. And then I think I'll do a different vlog for the dinner. And also Saturday we're having a hike address, so I might just put that all together, the dinner and the hike, you know. Gqeberha 2 consecutive vlogs, yeah. But yeah, I think that is about it, and I'll take you guys along with me tomorrow and Friday and so on so forth. But yeah, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I mean a lovely night. And I feel like this is where I'm closing off the vlog. I'm still having problems with space, but I will sort that out on Friday, and I'll pay for space on Friday. But yeah, bye guys.
To make a use of your brain, very important. Alright, so I was saying chapter 5 must be sealed in one of the cells. So when it's sealed, you cannot take it off. It must be always there.
That's part of my day was.
I'll just fine.
Hey, Bo.
Are you gonna ride with me? Hold me down, will you listen, never lie to me? This is all the sign I need. So tell me, will you keep me safe when I'm alone? I need your arms to control me, 'cause it feels so good. I don't want you going nowhere, 'cause on the corners of your mind helps my body to unwind. Don't waste time. You said you love the way I noticed how
On my knee, college begin, hop off a chick, barely get rest, catch through the morons, I get a check, you selling run on my pants and my chest, she let her dress, give up a mess, I eat her flesh, you know the rest, count up a hundred, couple Rolex, shine like the sun, you truly blessed, you told me 10, and they go more like I Uber jets, this is on me, got my Gucci shirt with.
Under my tongue before I drink some water, if I remember, so, guys. But yeah, so over the next couple of days, we are going to be just packing. There's so much to tell you right now, but actually the reason why I started this camera is the reason why I switched on this camera was because I wanted to show you guys this cute PR drop, which is very late. The launch of Kylie was, I don't know how many months ago, but I don't know, it just feels like a bit of an afterthought, which is I'm okay with. Honestly, I wasn't working on this campaign, but I do think that looks so cute. And this lip oil, a Kylie lip kit, and a black eyeliner. This is just a normal black eyeliner, and this is what that looks like. I love the packaging of these. Yeah, that's the picture. Smooth, just as I expected. Yeah, so I'm pretty excited.
I was again, all confused. Give me a minute, let me tired. I don't know why I tried so hard to stay on your radar, in your orbit. And I know I said I didn't want it all, but I think I want it all. I think I need it all. And I really try to be just enough, not too much, babe. You never know